In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get verified using Meta Verified's new subscription feature. So let's jump right into it. What's going on? I'm Ben. Nice to meet you. Now let's get you verified. So to do this currently, you have to be within the Instagram app on your phone. And across different accounts, I see this show up in different places. So I'm going to show you the different ways that you can sign up for this new feature. So once you're into your account and you're on the profile you want to get verified, first you click the 3 bars in the top right. And then for some accounts, you're going to see it right here, just Meta Verified. And if you click that and then go to subscribe and sign up, then if you go through this, you can pay to get the benefits, which are that verified badge, extra account security, direct support, and more stickers. That's what you're paying for with this Meta Verified feature. And you'll be billed for this monthly. The price that you're seeing on your screen right now is because I'm based in Canada. What you will pay will depend where you are in the world. And to get verified this way, you do have to prove that you are who you say you are by providing them a picture of your government issued ID that is the name that you're trying to attach to your verified account or get verified. So that may be an issue for some people, but I wanted to make that known so you're aware. And if they can't verify you, you can request a refund. So that's the first place where you can find it. Now I'm going to show you the other place if you don't have it on your account there. So go to the account you want to get verified again, click the same 3 bars there. Then you'll see right here, I don't have the same Meta Verified button. So in that case, click settings and privacy, then account center, and then scroll down to Meta Verified. Here, click the account you want to get verified, click this, click subscribe, and then click pay now, go through the process, get verified, and you're good to go. That is how you can get your account verified on Instagram through Meta Verified. And since you care about Instagram and want to grow your Instagram profile, this is the YouTube channel for you. Every single week, I post free videos sharing insider secrets and tips for you to grow and make money from Instagram far faster. So make sure to click that bell button so you never miss a video. And if you don't want to pay for Meta Verified and you think that you are influential enough to just get a verification badge, there actually is a way where you can apply to be verified on Instagram that is completely free. And we made a video walking through how to find that and how to apply right here. So go ahead and click this if you think you fall into that category, and I'll see you over there. Peace.